Okay, we're going to put the post anchors into place. So what I've done is I've laid them out on the deck. You can see I've got the 6x6 anchors in the corner, around the corner. So we're going to use 6x6 posts to mark the staircases, and then we're using 4x4s for the intermediate posts to give it a nice balanced look. And as you can tell, what I've done here is just laid it out, sort of get an idea of what it's going to look like. And also, it's important with the stairwell, because the 6x6s are bigger than the 4x4, I have to move these around a bit so that the center line of the 6x6 is in line with the center of the 4x4 that's going to be at the base of these stairs. So just a little bit of planning you have to do before you start installing the anchors to the bottoms of the post. One thing I wanted to point out also was that with the 6x6 anchors, there's actually 3 holes on one side, and the reason for that is because with the force on the railing, there's one side that's going to take the force more than the other side, and that's the point where the force originates, like on the living space side of the deck here. So the back side is going to be like a hinge, and if there's any force at all, the tube and the bolts here on the front side are going to take it. So I make sure that I place this 3rd hole directly against the force that's going to be directed towards it. Now here I've got a straight run of railing that's going down the stairs and up here, so the midpoint will be this post. It'll be a 6x6 post, and this is going to be the weakest link in this stretch of railing, so that's why I've placed this right here. So just another point to remember depending on how you're designing your railing.